Fresh cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, carrots, and lettuce are displayed. The vibrant colors of the vegetables are visually emphasized. Each vegetable exhibits a unique texture. The display showcases a variety of shapes and sizes. The arrangement presents a visually appealing and nutritious selection of vegetables. Washing vegetables under running water removes surface dirt and impurities. Thorough washing ensures the removal of pesticides and other harmful residues. Agitation during washing aids in dislodging tightly adhered contaminants. Different vegetables require varying washing techniques for optimal cleanliness. A vegetable brush can effectively remove stubborn dirt from root vegetables. Clean vegetables are essential for food safety and preventing foodborne illnesses. Begin by placing the cucumber horizontally on a clean cutting board. Cut off both ends of the cucumber to create a stable base. Slice the cucumber lengthwise into halves. Place the flat side of each half down on the cutting board for stability. Cut each half lengthwise again to create long, thin strips. Chop the strips crosswise into small, bite-sized pieces. Ripe tomatoes are essential for achieving the desired texture and flavor when chopping. Chopping tomatoes into wedges involves slicing from the stem end towards the blossom end. Chopping tomatoes into small pieces requires dicing the wedges into uniform sizes. Juicy tomatoes release their flavorful liquid during the chopping process. To minimize tearing, chill the onion for at least 30 minutes before slicing. Cut the onion in half through the root end, leaving the root intact to help hold the layers together. Make horizontal cuts into each half, stopping short of the root end. Slice the onion vertically, perpendicular to the horizontal cuts, to create even, thin slices. Carrots can be prepared by grating them into small pieces. Alternatively, carrots may be chopped into small pieces. The choice between grating and chopping depends on the desired texture and application. Grated carrots result in a fine, almost shredded texture. Chopped carrots offer a more distinct, chunky texture. Both grating and chopping effectively reduce the carrot into smaller, manageable pieces. Lettuce leaves are prepared for salad by tearing them into smaller, manageable pieces. Tearing lettuce, instead of cutting, can prevent browning and preserve freshness. Alternatively, lettuce can be chopped with a knife for a different texture and presentation. Chopping lettuce allows for uniform size and shape, enhancing the salad's visual appeal. Both tearing and chopping are acceptable methods for preparing lettuce, depending on preference. Prepared lettuce should be washed and dried before adding to the salad. An empty mixing bowl is prepared to receive the vegetables. The bowl's design facilitates efficient mixing and ingredient incorporation. The bowl's material is selected for durability and hygiene in food preparation. Proper bowl preparation ensures a clean and sanitary environment for food handling. The size of the bowl is determined by the volume of ingredients to be mixed. The bowl's stability is crucial for preventing spills during the mixing process. Chopped cucumbers are added to the mixing bowl. Diced tomatoes are added to the mixing bowl. Chopped onions are added to the mixing bowl. Diced carrots are added to the mixing bowl. Shredded lettuce is added to the mixing bowl. The mixing bowl now contains a colorful assortment of chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, carrots, and lettuce. Gently tossing vegetables ensures an even distribution of ingredients. Tossing prevents damage to delicate vegetables, preserving their texture and appearance. Even distribution enhances flavor profiles by ensuring each bite contains a balanced mix of ingredients. Proper tossing technique minimizes bruising and maintains the visual appeal of the salad. Fresh lemons are halved to prepare for juicing. A citrus juicer extracts juice from the lemon halves. The extracted lemon juice is strained to remove pulp and seeds. Freshly squeezed lemon juice adds a tangy flavor to dishes and beverages. The process of juicing lemons ensures maximum freshness and flavor. Seasoning a salad involves adding salt to enhance its existing flavors. Black pepper is added to the salad to provide a contrasting spicy and aromatic element. The amount of salt and pepper added should be adjusted to personal taste preferences. Proper seasoning balances the flavors in a salad, enhancing the overall dining experience. Taste testing is essential to ensure the salad is seasoned according to individual preferences. Salad ingredients are thoroughly tossed to ensure even distribution of lemon juice and seasonings. Proper tossing technique ensures a balanced flavor profile in every serving. The goal of tossing is to coat all components uniformly, enhancing overall taste and texture. Lemon juice and seasonings blend together during tossing, creating a cohesive flavor. Final tossing ensures each bite contains a harmonious combination of flavors and textures. Chilling salad enhances its refreshing qualities. Refrigeration lowers the temperature of the salad, providing a cooling sensation. Brief chilling is sufficient to improve the salad's palatability without compromising texture. The cooling effect stimulates taste receptors, heightening flavor perception. Chilling helps maintain the crispness of vegetables, preventing wilting. Optimal salad chilling involves balancing temperature and duration for best results. The salad is presented in a bowl to showcase its fresh and vibrant appearance. The arrangement of ingredients in the bowl emphasizes the salad's visual appeal. Serving the salad in a bowl enhances its presentation. The bowl's design complements the salad's vibrant colors. The presentation of the salad in a bowl suggests a serving suggestion. Boiled corn can be added to salads to enhance flavor. Olives contribute a distinct taste and texture to salads. Feta cheese introduces a salty and creamy element to salads. Optional additions allow for customization of salad flavors. These additions provide extra flavor and textural complexity. Salad customization caters to individual taste preferences.